Can you see this? The animation that's actually happening at the back of the ASUS ROG laptop. So like I said, you can literally put anything. You can create your own, or you can actually literally put the pre-made animations that are already on the laptop. And might be a little bit of a jitter because of the way our camera is actually capturing it. But this is very, very cool. The rest of the laptop, like I said right in the beginning, is very cool in terms of the insides of the laptop. I mean, absolutely blazing specs. But you know, that thing that you really need in a laptop, from the colors to the way it's put around, some little transparent part like the ASUS ROG 3 phone, you can actually see inside the phone. This one doesn't have any of that. It looks more like the kind of laptop that I would expect a business executive to have. Now, why ASUS went with that design choice? Because they are fantastic with making a gaming laptop or any gaming product look truly gaming. Now, why they went with that decision, of course, is only something they would know. But let's take a look at the rest of what this laptop can actually achieve.
What you see is not straight from the Matrix, but is actually called Anime Matrix that ASUS has brought to its new gaming laptop. Meet the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 laptop that seems to do things pretty differently. The Zephyrus lineup from ASUS has always been associated with robust gaming laptops. ASUS tries to keep that going and bring some seriously high-powered specs to this machine. So let's dive into the review and find out if this is the gaming laptop of this year. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 will definitely get your attention with its looks with the unique anime matrix on the lid. It is bright enough and you can choose from ASUS's presets or different text and images you can add here. But the charm of the anime matrix wears off fast, and beyond this, the laptop doesn't give us the gamer feel. It does have the angular side cuts and a backlit keyboard, but its 14-inch form factor seems small and the keyboard has a slight work feel to it. ASUS seems to be going for creators here as well with the ROG G14. One thing it does cleverly is the keyboard that angles slightly upward automatically once the lid is opened. And this is what ASUS calls the Ergo Lift hinge, and we didn't seem to mind it even while typing. The variant with the anime matrix at the back starts at 98,990 rupees. Without this, the laptop starts at 80,990 rupees. It is more expensive than the recent HP Omen 15, but the specs seem more premium as well. It is powered by the mighty AMD Ryzen 9 4900HS 8-core processor. Along with this, it also has the mid-level NVIDIA RTX 2060 Max-Q graphics chip. In terms of storage and RAM, there's 1 TB of SSD storage and 16 GB of RAM. The AMD CPU does pretty well and the graphics are pretty good. The processor is very fast and gaming is quite a breeze. The screen is 14 inches and has a refresh rate of 60 Hz. Now, while most games support 60 Hz, we wish ASUS had stepped it up a notch here. But while the processor and the graphics chip sound like a solid combo, we tested the performance out with a gamer for a few days, and let's see what he had to say about gaming on the ASUS ROG G14.
So for those of you that are investing in an ROG laptop, you definitely want something gaming related. But when you're looking for a gaming laptop, you have two things to keep in mind. One, the performance, and two, how hot does it get? Now, in terms of performance, this laptop does it really, really well. At no point while I was gaming did I feel like the performance dipped, or did there be any kind of FPS lag or something like that. But as far as heating is concerned, just after about 20 to 30 minutes of playing on this, I felt like the laptop was really heating up. So much so that I couldn't put it on my lap anymore and had to put it on a surface and use it on a table. Now, the overheating issue is a bit of a problem because laptops of this kind of price definitely has better cooling options, and the fact that the ROG hasn't been able to figure out how to cool this, well, somewhat small laptop is a bit of a problem.
Yes, the laptop did leave us with hot hands after hours of gaming. The keyboard was very warm and the heat dissipation is not its strong point, even though the fan speed and other things can be controlled through the Republic of Gamers command center. There are different modes to toggle between over here as well. There's a performance mode on which we game the most, and there's a silent mode on which the laptop can last around 9 hours. It does pretty well on the battery front in that regard, plus it comes with a 180 watts charger in the box. The display is bright and this is a WQHD panel. The colors are true to life and editing or watching videos on this laptop will be a pleasant experience. You can also customize the display to get a full HD one. There are 2 upward and 2 downward firing speakers with Dolby audio support that actually do really well. The audio is loud enough and not distorted at all. The display might have thin bezels, but the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 misses out on a webcam, and we feel that's a big miss in 2020. There are many ports for connectivity, 2 USB Type-C, 2 USB Type-A, a headphone jack, so no complaints there. The small form factor of the laptop is nice, it's pretty portable, and at 1.6 kgs it's one of the lightest gaming laptops we have come across. The chiclet style keyboard is good to type on even though it has a very businessy look to it. Since this is the white variant, the white LED backlight on the keys didn't stand out at all. The touchpad is nice and smooth, and Asus mostly always gets its trackpad just right. And so for the final verdict, the Asus might have a super portable gaming laptop on its hands, but the small form factor of the ROG Zephyrus G14 makes it miss out on adequate cooling that is needed. The top of the line AMD Ryzen Edge series of processors stands out and is blazing fast. It's a great laptop to game on, of course, but also to edit videos or to run AutoCAD-like heavy applications. There's no webcam, but the battery life is good. At 98,990 rupees, if you are impressed by the snazzy animated lid, then go for this variant of the ROG G14.